You ever look at some affiliate marketers and just wonder how they're pulling in that massive income while so many others are just struggling for scraps? Well, let me tell you, it's not about working harder. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and break down the exact high-leverage strategies the pros use so you can build your own elite affiliate engine for 2026.
So let's dive right in. Before we can even think about building that engine, we first have to understand the trap. You know, the one that keeps so many aspiring affiliates totally stuck. It's a really frustrating cycle, and that's what we're going to tackle first.
Hey, does this sound familiar? You're out there creating awesome content, you're driving traffic, you're actually making sales. I mean, you are putting in the hours. But then you look at your earnings and the reward just doesn't feel like it matches the effort, right? It's incredibly frustrating, and honestly, it's the #1 reason most people just give up.
I mean, imagine this. You spend hours, maybe even days, crafting the perfect blog post or video. Someone finally clicks your link, they buy, and your grand reward is $2.50. Seriously, that barely covers a coffee. You can't scale a real business on that. You can't reinvest. This right here, this is the income trap.
But here's the secret. This is the crucial mindset shift. The most successful affiliates, they're not just working harder, they are absolutely working smarter. They get that not all commissions are created equal. So you know what they do? They intentionally ignore all the small stuff to focus only on the big, high-leverage opportunities.
And what's really interesting is that this whole smarter approach, it pretty much boils down to just two core strategies. That's it. Just two distinct paths that can lead to that significant, life-changing affiliate income we're all looking for. So let's break them both down.
And here they are, the two big ones. Over on the left, you've got the steady, compounding power of recurring commissions. And on the right, you've got the massive, instant win of high-ticket payouts. The elite affiliates? They almost always build their entire business around one, or sometimes even a mix of both of these models.
All right, let's explore that first path, building a recurring revenue engine. See, this isn't about one-and-done sales. This is all about creating a predictable monthly income stream that just grows and grows over time. Think of it like you're building a financial engine that, once you get it running, basically starts to power itself.
So here's the magic of it. You refer someone to a subscription service one time and you get paid every single month they stay a customer. You literally do the work once and you get rewarded for it over and over and over again. It's an incredibly powerful way to build real wealth.
And the process itself, it's beautifully simple. First, you introduce your audience to a really valuable tool, usually some kind of software or service. Second, they subscribe because it solves the problem for them. And third, for as long as they keep paying for that subscription, a piece of their monthly fee goes directly into your pocket. Your income literally compounds with every single new referral.
Okay, let's switch gears and look at the second path. If recurring revenue is about building that steady, reliable engine, this one, well, this is more like hunting for big game. It's about securing those huge windfall commissions that can change your whole month, or heck, even your whole year, with just a single sale. And when we say high ticket, we really, really mean it. We're not talking 50 or $100 here. The real entry point for a true high-ticket commission starts at $500, and trust me, it often goes way, way up from there. The strategy here is all about value, not volume. You might only make a few of these sales a month, but man, each one has a massive impact on your bottom line. And that's because you're promoting a genuinely high-value product or service.
So, where do you even find these kinds of opportunities? Well, they often hide in plain sight. In industries where a single customer is worth a lot of money. You know, think about finance, or specialized industrial software, or maybe some high-end consulting services where one client can be worth thousands. Okay, so now we have our two powerful paths, right? The consistent compounding engine versus the high-impact windfall. The absolute key to your success in 2026 is going to be consciously choosing the path that actually aligns with your goals, your audience, and your own personal style. So let's just break this down side by side. Are you looking for that predictable, stable income that just compounds month after month? Then that recurring engine is probably your best bet. Or are you better at nurturing a few really high-value leads to secure those big, juicy payouts? In that case, the high-ticket path might be calling your name. See, there's no one right answer here. There's only the right answer for you.
And you know, this is what it all comes down to. You have to stop chasing those $2.50 commissions. Your time, your effort, it's just too valuable for that. By focusing on either recurring or high-ticket programs, you're putting your effort where it generates the biggest possible return. And that is the secret of every elite affiliate marketer.
So I'm going to leave you with this question to really think about for your own 2026 strategy. Which path are you going to choose? Are you going to be the architect, carefully building a consistent monthly revenue engine? Or are you going to be the hunter, tracking down those game-changing windfall payouts? The choice is yours.